It is day 2 with the Honda Accord. We got home quite late yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to really look at it properly. So I guess we'll show you guys how it looks now. It is quite dirty on the inside, so just don't watch that. The owner left, I don't even know what that is. It looks like a internet modem inside the car. As you guys can see, it is really dirty on the inside. So carpets need cleaning, the chairs. Hey babe. This is the front. Again, carpets need cleaning. This chair in particular is really dirty. I'm not even gonna sit on that. The side mirror here is cracked in the back, so I need to replace that. Now let's get to the front of the car. The whole front is missing, so we are going to take care of that as well. And also yesterday we had an issue with opening the door. For some reason the lock was disengaged, but we had to use some sort of technique where we had to open the windows just to get inside. So we've got a project on our hands for sure. Do you have any words, babe, on how you feel about this car?
Help! I think there's potential, but it's definitely gonna be a lot of work. Luckily, you don't need to be driving anytime soon, so we have all the time in the world.
So that is a mini tour. I think later on today we're gonna get some fluids for the car because I believe the AC is not running. So yeah, we will catch you guys later where we have another update. Just having a little look at what we need to fix before we go to the store and get a couple products. So we've had a look at the car, we've checked everything, and now we know exactly what we need. Babe, what exactly are we getting?
Oil filter, coolant, maybe a coolant flush, spark plugs perhaps.
Oh boy. Yeah, we need a lot of things. So we're on our way to Advanced Auto Parts right now to get them. And then yeah, we're gonna put them in the car. That's a lot of stuff.
This is your gift from me to you.
Oh, thanks, babe. Look what my babe got me.
$200 worth of necessary stuff.
Lovely. All right, we just got back from Advanced Auto and we got a bunch of things. So we're just gonna go through everything that we got. How much did we spend again?
Roughly $200.
All right, so let's start with this.
This is antifreeze. It's for your radiator to make sure that your engine stays cool. This is a 50-50 solution, so it's diluted antifreeze. It's not pure antifreeze.
Next, we have this full synthetic high mileage oil. The car that we have is high mileage, guys.
300,000 miles at the very least.
It's a lot. And then we have this 3-in-1 radiator flush.
I took a look at the antifreeze in there, and it looked gross and looked grimy. So I'm gonna flush the radiator and the the engine. We're gonna do it right.
This is an air filter. I have no idea
Air
what this is
filter
for.
for filtration for your engine, for your air intake. So whenever your car needs air to breathe, so this helps filter the air.
Okay.
Pretty sure, looking at the condition of the car, it probably hasn't been changed.
And we have these detailing brushes, and I'm going to be using this cleaner. So today, before we get the actual detailer, we're just going to give it a scrub. We also got the spark plugs. And last but not least, we have, what is this, please?
It's an oil filter.
Uh-huh.
It helps filter your oil. We're replacing your current oil filter because God knows when that was last replaced or done. So natural maintenance things. If you do an oil change, you replace the oil filter as well.
And lastly, gloves, because who is touching that disgusting car without gloves?
Me.
Him. All right, we'll catch you guys later.